Do you want to flex your cool stuff in front of your friends but don't know what to buy? Well, I'm here for this very reason, to help you level up your flaunting game with amazing products. And of course, to improve your lifestyle with these cool gadgets. Being surrounded by an abundance of gadgets can be quite overwhelming, which is why I have carefully picked them for you. These are the ultimate and coolest gadgets of 2023 that are totally worth the money. So hold tight and keep watching. Nebula Speaker. Our first cool gadget is the Nebula Speaker. This speaker gives life to any kind of music. Whether you want to blast Taylor Swift or Jay-Z at your party, Nebula will never let you down. It is specially designed around the theme of astronaut suites, so space geeks should already take their wallets out. Nebula lets you feel the music from the heart and soul. It has the latest ferrofluid display and a sleek modular design. The ferrofluid will make you want to dance with its sick moves. It surely brings life to your parties, so go buy it now. Volcano Aroma Diffuser. Our next gadget is for those who love a calm and peaceful environment around them. Aromatherapy is real. Guys and those who have the Volcano Aroma Diffuser agree. Within a few minutes of switching it on, the entire room gets filled with fragrance. It helps in soothing your mood, relieving stress, and improving your sleep quality. With its various modes, like volcano mode and flame mode, you can actually watch the satisfying ejection of fumes in different patterns. It is also very safe and reliable, as it can shut down immediately after detecting that the surrounding air is not humid anymore. This beautiful diffuser brings a peaceful vibe to your day-to-day life. Beehive Security System. Security systems are a must for every house and building these days. Let me present to you a flying solution to your security problems, the Beehive Security System. It is a flexible drone-in-a-box solution that easily integrates your security cameras and sensors. It actively responds to any movement covering the range of 4 acres in just 30 seconds. It doesn't have to be controlled manually after just a few steps of setting it up. It will remain within the limits of your property without any manual control, and the best part is its high-quality video streaming. You can watch the whole thing on your smartphone or computer. Amazing, right? Indestructible Notebook. If you're tired of carrying large notebooks everywhere, this gadget is specifically designed for you. The Ascent Set is a lightweight yet durable pocket-sized notepad. It comes with a magnetic pen that can be refilled, so you can never lose the pen. And most importantly, the notebook never gets wet. Your notes will remain safe even in a heavy downpour. On the other hand, it is also resistant to fire and oil. So one thing is clear as crystal: your writing isn't going anywhere, whether you set it on fire or throw it in a well. Will you buy the ultimate indestructible notepad? Winter Cycling Gloves. Talking about rain, how can we forget the waterproof cycling gloves? It is not necessary that you wear them only while cycling. Anyone can wear them anywhere. These gloves have a highly absorbent microfiber wiping surface, and they will not suffocate you as they are breathable and comfortable, allowing your hands to move easily. Wearing gloves is inconvenient for those who want to use their smartphones, but man, when I tell you these gloves are it, I mean it. They have touchscreen technology with silver fibers in their tips that allow the use of smartphones and any touchscreen device. Totally worth the money. Laptop Desk. Our number 6 gadget for you is the Laptop Bed Tray Desk. It's an easily adjustable laptop stand for beds or couches. You can fold it to your desired size. It has a leather surface, making working from home even more comfy for you. It can even hold a cell phone, iPad, or tablet of any size. A little drawer on its side is made to put a mouse, cable, stationary items, or pretty much anything you need while working. It's a complete package for the office and home. Laser Engraver. Next on the list is another cool gadget for you. It's a laser engraver and cutter to make your own artifacts. Usable on wood, glass, leather, and metal, this engraver has fast speed and high precision. It also has an assistant pump that helps with vanishing smoke and minimizing discoloration. It has multiple safety switches to make it more user-friendly. We can conclude that it is the ultimate tool for giving life to your imagination. Link Shoes. Flip-flops and Crocs are the story of the past now. Say hi to Link shoes. With these, you can feel maximum ventilation and comfort at your feet. They are highly sturdy and safe footwear that can be worn anywhere, anytime. When you have a long day of walking, you can wear these and be free to walk with a perfect stride. You can even run in these without fear of falling. Exciting wear for real. PikaBoost e-bike. With this product, you can have an excellent way to make cycling easy and fun. The PikaBoost e-bike will help you get the most stable and silent ride in any terrain. It has an e-brake that keeps you safe from accidents and an auto lock for security. The bike also has an advanced navigation system and auto maintenance speed to keep you in a flow state. Enjoy your healthy lifestyle with this amazing e-bike. Wine chiller. This ultimate wine chiller is essential for every household. It has triple-layered insulation that keeps the beverages cool for a long period of time. Each of these chillers has a unique and beautiful design that captivates everyone's eyes. While it keeps your drinks cool, it also never sweats, so you can have a condensation-free grip. It can easily fit any bottle or even a cup. Enjoy your drinks without worrying. Cyberpunk Spider Lamp. I heard you need a cool table lamp that's also a working pet. The Cyberpunk Spider Lamp fulfills all your wishes with its sick design and robot features. It's an excellent fusion of art and technology. It can be controlled by various buttons present on its body. You can dim the lights, rotate the lamp's head, and adjust the height. It gives a dramatic and cool touch to your ambience. Mini microscope. We are talking about cool gadgets, and only cool people carry a mini microscope with them everywhere. It has a built-in UV and LED flashlight and high magnifying power. You can easily focus on any small particle with its smooth, focusing knob. It is a great package for microbiology students and those who have a hobby of looking deep into things. 3-in-1 cooker. Getting late for work but want to have a good, healthy breakfast? The all-in-one ceramic cooker is here to save the day. It has 3 compartments to cook eggs, pancakes, and French toast at the same time. Roasted potatoes, bacon, or simple veggies. The choices to make in this cooker are endless. It has a glass lid and a built-in timer to let you track your meals. Its handles are strong and ergonomic. With its compact size, it won't crowd your countertop. Easy to use and clean. This is an ideal cooking partner for life. Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool. Another all-in-one gadget in the queue is the Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool. Made of stainless steel, this tool has a knife with a serrated blade, a bottle opener, a flathead screwdriver, a wrench, an LED light, and a whistle. Anyone who has been camping or on an adventure knows how essential these things are for surviving in the wild. The light can be clipped to your cap, making it a headlamp. Its whistle can be heard from miles away. In short, it is worth your money. Moving Sand Art. The last gadget of today is the Moving Sand Art piece. It gives a unique touch to your house and office decor. With its constantly changing designs, the sandfall is mesmerizing in its own way. Its glass frame is crystal clear and thick. An excellent 3D effect can be seen as the sand blend works. You can relax your eyes and relieve your stress while watching it create a new landscape every minute. So these were our favorite picks of the coolest gadgets that are worth your money. Make sure to like the video if it helped you decide what to buy on your next visit to a shopping mall. Let us know in the comments which gadget is your favorite and why.